Today I'm here with my junior executive chef, Lola, and we're making our Rocky Road popcorn cups. So first step is very easy. Lola, what we need to do is we get our milk chocolate, we melt it down in the microwave. I need you to add the oil. This makes the chocolate smoother. You're just going to put it all together and we're going to mix it together. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to put our hands in there, we're just going to toss it through.
Okay.
Okay, and then we're going to pour all the chocolate in there. Yum, look at that.
Oh my gosh, that looks so good.
It looks so cool. Look at that, you're just breaking it all up. It doesn't matter if it gets messy in the kitchen.
Is this okay?
That is fantastic, Laura.
What made you want to become a chef?
Well, you know why I wanted to be a chef? Look how much fun we're having today in the kitchen. So this is what I love doing.
Marshmallows are my favourite.
Are they?
Yep.
What's your favourite colour?
Pink.
Pink, yeah. Pink's my favourite colour. And you know Barbie's pink as well, so that's why I
Yeah.
love it even more. Whoa, easy.
Yeah.
How easy was that? Whoa, kids, thanks, cool.
The whole thing started out on a typical Roberts family Saturday morning. So much to see. I can't believe we're going to Fun Place.